Truly grateful for the phenomenal care he has been receiving. My family
I
and I
can't
remain
believe this
thankful
bird
for all
just
of the
snatched that
prayers,
other bird
comments,
off the
thoughts, messages,
tree.
and good
He
energy.
got
So
him in the
comedian
street,
Dick Gregory
killing
has
him
been on
now.
the show.
I'm just scary.
What Dick
He
Gregory?
actually used to have a show here on
I've never
KGLH.
seen another bird snatch another bird like that and actually
Dick
just
Gregory was
killing
on all the
him.
time. Front page. Dick Gregory was a regular on the front
I don't
page
know
of
what to do.
Carl
Maybe
Law.
if I blow the horn.
For his social
No, he's
activism
still
and
getting
in
them.
the comedy, right?
If I speed up on his ass,
Was
it's
it
like he
Fraser
looking at me
Price
like
show?
I ain't moving
I
at
don't
all.
know that he was ever on a show.
A car need to come. Look, I'm in a car. I'm just scary.
I don't think I ever.
But you have to realize back when Dick Gregory
Wow.
was a comedian, comedians didn't have their own show.
I seen that bird going to the tree. Then I seen this one just like come swoop on him. So the only thing, if a car come down my street, that's the only thing that's gonna stop it. Cause he's literally just killing this bird without pecking him, but he's doing it with his feet. Okay, well maybe if I go up and like I'm finna drive up on his ass.
Basically saying that he crossed the line by bringing his wife and kids into his house. Then he had that rant
Okay.
I don't pay no attention to Kanye West and the Kardashians.
Oh, wait, no.
Kanye Kardashian, I don't pay no attention to him.
No, but he was on stage and he had a rant and he was like, Jay-Z, come on, pick up the phone. You know, you ain't brought Blue Ivy to come over and play with my kids.
Alright.
Yeah, I don't pay attention to Kanye.
This is too crazy.
Kanye Kardashian.
I don't pay any attention.
I've never seen another bird sit up here and be killing another bird. Like, ever.
That's what we're all waiting for. Yeah.
The bird is still living.
I thought it was a great business move on Blac Chyna's part because I'm like, I don't know, are people still playing with Barbie dolls? Are young girls playing Barbie dolls? Now they can say, I want a Blac Chyna. Do you not want to support black business?
And he put him in the street.
Sure is not a black business facilitating the sale of her doll.
Are you sure?
That's number one.
Landed him straight down. I thought it was just some bullshit, but no. He's doing this to kill his ass.
That's not the first day though. It's been on already.
And the bird trying to get up or get away, I guess.
In that show, but also one of the owners of Southern Girl Desserts. Oh wow! And Shantae
Oh,
Cornell is in that show.
he just flew away with him.